Welcome back to the series, and tonight we're on our real account, and today we are trying to flip £100 into 1,000. Now that sounds a bit mad, but you need to understand what we're trying to do. So we started off with £50 because our account got taken all the way down to 50. At that point we managed to buy some more Tesla and ride a huge wave on Tesla back up to 140-ish, maybe even 130, and then we just did a few small trades, and now we're back on the Vanguard S&P 500, and that is my next investment for now. I'm not saying a point which I'm willing to sell it or basically get rid of it or even buy more, because I'm not too sure, but I'm going to be happy when I reach a certain price point. So maybe when I get to about 175 that is, maybe around there, then I will sell. But I'm going to talk you through why I've picked this one and how long I'm going to be staying in it, hopefully. Now I can't guarantee, like I just said, but I'm going to explain everything in this short video. So this is my new investment, if you're wondering. Obviously, I've sold out the Tesla, fortunately, before it crashed. That was one of the best decisions of my trading days, because I have made some bad decisions basically recently. However, this appears to be a good one, and here we are again with a Vanguard S&P 500. So the reason for picking this fund, because it's quite an unusual one for trading 2-on-2, is because I thought I could do this on the invest side, but I thought I'd make some better profits if I did it with a CFD. So what happened is, I was looking at the S&P 500 and I was seeing the great track record that we've had with that, so it's been pretty much rising. This is obviously 5 minutes, but if we look at the 1 day, if we can, so if we look at 1 day, it's basically been rising for ages, and it just keeps shooting higher and higher, and obviously at some point this could come down, but I think for the minute this will be a pretty safe and secure investment to get into, especially when we look at the back record of the S&P and how it's done in the past. It's done so great that this is one of them stocks where, yes, perhaps it is risky, especially at the minute, but however, it has been shown to do good things in the past, so I am going to somewhat trust it on this one. So I thought, shall we go in with the SPX 500, which is basically the trading 2-on-2 version of the S&P 500, and just put a bet on that. And I thought, you know what, that's a little bit too high risk. So what I decided to do is go with the trusted old Vanguard S&P 500 fund, which is my personal choice for this one. Now this is very similar if you look at the pattern, however it does appear to be a little bit more flat than the actual S&P 500 index itself, and this is because this is an index tracker basically, so it's not necessarily 100% accurate, however it is a bit more smooth for that, and that means that it's a lot harder to get stopped out. But I am seeing a case of it's harder to catch big profits, but honestly, to be honest, we are up about £20, which is quite good for this trade. I mean, I was expecting to make like £5 or £10, so I'm happy with how we are so far. Little nice profit for us. I'm going to hopefully ride it out for another day or two, and then I might sell, because we are honestly very happy with the profit that we've made so far. But yes, I just thought I'd get you a lot catched up on basically where we are with the trades, and this is where we are on the real account. So you can see here 3 positions, each one is a 1. Honestly, I could have gone in with another one, but I decided to just hold out, because basically I'm not going to put everything in. I do want to have something to fall back on in case it did crash, because bear in mind I was starting out at 0 profit, so I thought I'll hold back on something, fair enough, have something in my account just in case it does crash. Unfortunately, we've only had one red day since it started off. Now today was a great day to the green side, and the day before that was a great day to the green side as well. Now this one doesn't actually trade for very long. It trades from around 14:30 to only 20:59, so clearly not too long of a trade session in comparison to some other pieces on the trading 2-on-2 site. So yeah, it's not really open for too long, but I am happy with how it's moved. So we'll have to see how tomorrow goes. Hopefully we can have another day to the green and then sell, but I'm not going to guarantee anything, and even if it comes out lower than £18 profit, honestly I'm pretty happy with any profit at this point. But yeah, it's just been a nice trade, so I just thought I'd show you guys this one. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.